Hey guys, good morning. So I'm already driving. So I'm going to run a lot of errands today. I have a doctor's appointment, I have a nail appointment, I have to go get my oil changed, and I don't know, sometime this month I'm gonna do a transmission fluid flush with my car. So I have a lot of car maintenance, and this car is getting expensive. All right guys, so my doctor's appointment is done, and I'm here at the Target parking lot. I'm gonna go there really quick because I have to get some stuff. Like I need to get detergent, Downy, and I also need to get some a mighty patch, and I have to get moisturizer. I love this. It's only $7.99. They have a lot of gold big hoops up here. And they also have the small ones. Wait a minute, this is cute. This reminds me of my Midjuri, well, kind of. $7.99. Some detergent and some Downy as well.
Yeah, it's something you get used to. Yeah, go back to June blues. Yeah, it's just the June blues. Yeah, walk around like who you. Yeah, just something you get used to. Breaking news got me.
So I'm here at the Target parking lot. My appointment for my nail is around 1 o'clock. It's like 12:40. So I just want to show you well, this is just one. I went to Sephora, stopped by at Sephora after my doctor's appointment, and I got the Superfood Cleanser from the Youth to the People cleanser. I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I'm excited. I finished a small like mini version, which is, I believe that was like $10. The bigger, well, this is 8 fluid ounce. This is $36. I cannot wait to use this because my skin has been improving. I don't know, maybe because it's the cleanser or this other skincare that I use, but yeah, I honestly love this. I've been using this and I love it, and since I don't have any cleanser left, I mean I still have the matcha hemp from Crave Beauty. I'm like running low on that one as well, so I just decided to just repurchase this instead of the matcha hemp. So anyway, look, it came with like a little pump, and this is the cleanser. It's glass and I cannot wait to use it. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go to, I'm also gonna do a Target haul. I have like a lot of stuff that I got from Target, mainly some cleaning supply and also some liquid detergent. Guys, look at my nails. I am obsessed. It's so cute. It's very spring, colorful, and she really is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at that color. In my other hand, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with my nails. I love it. I freaking love it. I'm literally obsessed with my nails. I mean, come on, look how cute my nails are. I really love it. So anyways, I'm gonna go home because I do have to film, and I need to get some food real quick because I'm hungry. The set costs $77 for a full set, and I am like just obsessed with it. Like I freaking love it. So I think I'm just gonna get some lunch because it's late. It's 2:30 already, and I need to film a Gucci unboxing. So anyways, yeah, I think I'm just gonna go. I don't know what to eat. All right, so I just got home. I'm gonna do a Target haul and really quick before I film the unboxing. So I got some sponge from Scrub Daddy. I seen this at Shark Tank before, and now it's like all over like TikTok. I heard it's good, so yeah, I got these. I think this is some between like $3 something or like $4, and 1 2 3 there's like 4 sponge splash scrubbers. So I can't wait to use this. So like clean my or clean our dishes or clean the bathroom or, you know, kitchen. And then I got here another brush. This is the heavy duty brush. right here. This is all for cleaning. And I also got, I love this. I do love the potion. I think that was like the purple potion, but I want to try this. This is the Downy with Febreze Odor Defense April Fresh. This one right here, so I gotta put that downstairs. And I also got like detergent and another Downy liquid softener. Is it? Yeah, liquid softener. And let's see, from Sephora, I think I already did this earlier, just the cleanser. And okay, I was surprised they finally have this sponge at Target, because I love this sponge. This is from Juno & Co. I do have the blue one, but I think I gave it away. And I got the purple one. I'm gonna give this a try again. They have the purple, they have the blue one. I believe they have other colors too. So this is, I believe, $6 right there. And I love this. This is another repurchase because I'm running low on my CeraVe. This is my daily moisturizer. I use this on a daily. This is like moisturizer with sunscreen. So it's not too much sunscreen. Since it's just 30% of sunscreen, I put more sunscreen after this absorbed my my face. So I put, it's either I put the Neutrogena sunscreen or the Innisfree, or the one that I just got from Sephora as well last month, which is this one right here. I really love this, and it's good for not just the face, it is good for your body. I love it. And then I also got these rings right here. I don't know if you can focus. There you go. I got these 3 sets for $9.99. And I also got the Mighty Patch, because I do have the Panoxyl Mighty Patch. This is I have it right now. I just have that one pimple. It came like yesterday, and it's really annoying. So hopefully it'll go away, because I'm trying to clear my skin, and then now there's like one visitor again. But anyway, got this. I love the invisible one, because even if I'm not wearing any makeup and I put this on, I'll just kind of like cover the makeup with this one, and it still works pretty good. And this is also good for like if I go to work and I have that problem, I just put this on. And I think good for until, it says yeah, good for 6 hours, minimum of 6 hours. So this is really good if you're like suffering, if you have like that blemishes out of nowhere, you know. So I think that's that. And I can't wait to do like a unboxing. I think you're probably gonna see the Gucci unboxing first, after this, or I don't know, after or before. So anyways, let me just get ready so I can film, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi love, so I just got done filming the unboxing, and I think I'm just gonna film one video today because it's already like late, like, well, it's early evening, and I just paid my bills that I love. Being an adult is paying bills. I just paid my medical bills, and tomorrow we're gonna do our taxes. So I'm just making sure that I have everything that I need for tomorrow, because we're gonna file our tax. And my cat is like playing. So anyways, I'm also gonna edit more vlogs today so I can upload a vlog tonight. I'm trying to keep up with the vlogs, so I'll be, you know, caught up. Well, my plan is eventually gonna upload MWF, which is, that's my regular schedule. But since some of these vlogs are like a little bit like a couple weeks older, I'm just gonna try to like, if I can, upload every day. And I'm also gonna edit the Gucci unboxing. So plus I still have to edit the luxury bag collection, which is, I'm excited for you guys to see. Oh my god, my cat is in my Gucci box. She like it there. It's big. Yeah, because the box of the Gucci came with a more bigger box. So okay, hold on. I think it's Gemma approved. Gemma, do you like the box, honey? I think she loves it there. Also, I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up with my nails, because I don't know if you guys saw, but this is the close-up of my nails. So these are like my nails. I love everything. It's screaming like very springtime, which I freaking love. And I also love the length as well. Like this is purple here, and she put like yellow here, and then focus, this one is more of I don't know if you guys can see, but this is, come on, focus, this is cherry, and then this is just like green, and then I don't know what she did with this one, just like some line, and then there's this one which is yellow, and this one is like sky blue or like light blue, and then there's this like a little sunflower, and then this is just like a line of yellow, and then more blue. Alright, so it's 8:09 and I'm just finalizing the video for tonight, which is the mid-jury haul slash the Louis Vuitton update. I'm just finalizing this video, and also editing a thumbnail for my other 2 videos that I already edit. So I'm just gonna do that, and I think around 9 I'm gonna upload this, or like 10 or 9:30, it depends, but I'm just finalizing it like I said, and I'm gonna put some ads. And anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, since I just want to edit one more video before I eat dinner. So I'm gonna edit the Gucci unboxing, so I don't have to worry about it for tomorrow, since like I said, we're gonna do our tax around afternoon anyway. And I'm planning to film one more, I think, if I can wake up early. I'm planning to shoot one how do you call this, I have a list here, so I'm planning to shoot at least 1 or 2 videos early tomorrow, if I can even wake up. I can't really promise myself, but yes, I'm gonna try to wake up early tomorrow so I can shoot 2 videos, so I have like a lot of videos for you guys, since I've been lacking lately. So anyways, let me know what type of content you guys want to see on my next video. If you guys just want a lifestyle video like vlog, or if you want like a review, or if you want like makeup, because this channel is most likely like all over the place. It's like 3-in-1, like beauty, lifestyle, and also like reviewing products. So yes, I will definitely, I think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow as well. I just have to charge my battery. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I really do appreciate one of you guys. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog. Have a great day, good night, wherever you are. Mwah, bye.